Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to download or install Sudden Attack Zero Point game for free via the Steam launcher on PC, because this game is completely free to download. So here follow the steps. So open Steam, go to the store, and in search the store search for Sudden Attack Zero Point and then click on Sudden Attack Zero Point game. Scroll down and here you will see play Sudden Attack Zero Point game free to play. So click on play game button, and here you can see Sudden Attack Zero Point game and the file size is 6.82 GB. So click on install button, read this EUL terms and condition and then click on accept, then go to library, and here you can see that Sudden Attack Zero Point game is getting downloaded on my PC. So I hope by following the same steps you can also download or install Sudden Attack Zero Point game for free with the Steam launcher on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.